Just had the multifunctional display put in, cruise control, limiter removal, which is pretty tricky, so I'll go into that in more detail, but he's got rid of that. Well, I haven't tested it yet, but I trust him. He's a very, very nice guy, and I highly recommend going to see him. But yeah, we've got to see if cruise control works now. I think it's 30 miles an hour, so we're almost in 30, so... Oh, I've just put it on. I don't know if you can see the little green thing on the dash there. And she is on. She's good. Cruise control is working. I can obviously, and then these little buttons here on the side, I can push them up or down on the cruise control. So you can see there, it's now set to 32, and now 31, 30. So I can go up and down. I didn't know you could do it as well, but he's also put in like racing spindles. So when the car's locked and you turn it on for the first time, the spindles then whiz to like full and down again, which is like a really cool function. So you don't need to have a new cluster or dash or anything to do that. You can just put that in, which is really cool. So guys, this is the spindle thing that he's put in, the race one. You can just see they just go up and down, which is pretty cool. Cool little feature. I've got multifunction display, so at the moment I've got how many range you've got left, 335 miles, but that's because we've been driving around Sheffield, so it's quite low. So, and then we've also got average miles per gallon, so I'm 33.3, and then that's what miles per gallon we're doing now. Time, we've got temperature, we've got miles per hour. So now it tells you as well miles per hour in the middle, so we're digital miles per hour, which is really, really good. Yeah, I think that's everything he put on, didn't he? He did his cruise control, remove the limiter, and then he's also put in the multifunction things. And then also some other stuff in the bonnet to make it more efficient. But yeah, so it's really, really good. It was 190 quid for all of it, so it's a brilliant price. So I'd highly recommend you guys doing that. Put his link to his Facebook page in the video description, you can check on that and message him and get in contact with him that way. Hey, this guy's definitely the best in the country. But if someone's quoting you maybe 200-300 quid to remove a limiter, I'd say maybe try and find somewhere else. This is the new stalk with cruise control, so you've got it off, cancel on, but it's probably not focusing because it's on a GoPro. You can see it there, and then you've got like a tiny little thing in the dash there, just cruise control and then miles per hour, and then multi-function buttons here. So as you can see, I've got miles per gallon, that's average miles per hour to drive along, time, temperature, miles per hour. No, that's average miles per hour, average miles per hour, I don't know. And then we've got how far I've been, how far I've got left in the tank, and then back to miles per gallon.